KOSCN was founded in 2005. It is an international food control products manufacturing enterprise, focusing on the manufacture of ultra-pure, corrosion-resistant automation valves and instruments. The company has obtained a number of patents. It is a national high-tech enterprise and specialized special new enterprise.
Hi, welcome to KOSCN.
KOSCN is an enterprise integrating R&D, production, and sales. We have a professional team. After our products are developed and designed, our mold room masters will take the molds and then put them into injection molding machine for production. IPQC certified injection molding, the semi-finished products are transferred to our assembly workshop. After the assembled product pass the strict quality inspection, they are packed and sent to customers as scheduled. Our products process extensively uses mechanical automation and intelligent manufacturing. 80% of ordinary thermoplastic products are fully automated, and all PFA products are automatically produced in clean rooms with automated control assembly and debugging. We implement data intelligent management, continue to promote digital upgrades, product quality and production efficiency, MS system management, and product life cycle management. KOSCN plastic diaphragm valves feature full plastic housing design, smoothened flow passage, and larger flow rate. Manual, pneumatic, or electric actuator are available to suit different applications.
KOSCN PV series pressure regulating valve is mainly used for upstream pressure regulating, pressure fluctuation balancing, and pressure peak decreasing.
KOSCN PFA valve DV series film valve is a chemical liquid control valve with miniaturization, excellent corrosion resistant, heat resistant, and a wide range of uses. KOSCN BV series plastic ball valves feature standard design, large flow rate, and small torque. Modular design and electric or pneumatic actuation are available. The ball valves delivers functions like switch control, flow regulation, signal feedback, auto reset, and failure alarm. We'll provide the best service for our customers. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.